Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to distribute objects or anything you want using just geometry nodes and instance objects, creating an array by ranging objects whether they are procedural or non procedural. I'm gonna be working using the Susan monkey. So let's get started. Click on new to show up these two different important geometry nodes. Shift A. First of all, we need to add the mesh circle. Drop it in between these two different axes. Shift A to add another node, which is instances on points. Instance on points, drag it over this part over there. Shift A to add object info. We have this node over there, we should connect geometry to instance. And I'm gonna click on this edge dropper and select the Susan. As shown here, this is gonna be making this Susan draw this circle over here. The object node provides instance object information to the instance on point node. So as shown here, we need to make a radius 3 or 4. For example, make it much more bigger. 8, for example. As shown here, this is gonna be instancing your object. As shown here, it's gonna be instancing Susan monkey going around the path that we have added, which is a mesh circle shown here. Also, you can play with some values over there in order to make distance in between this Susan monkey. If you want to change the radius as shown here, versus the number of vertices, going to change the number of Susan monkey shown here. Also, you can control the rotation and different positions around different axes. Also, if you want to make it, also the scale, if you want, it's gonna be scaled around different axes. For example, 2 on different axes. It's gonna be scaling your Susan. I'm using just 4 nodes, geometry nodes, to make this very and super easy for you to understand some great principles for geometry nodes. Thanks for watching. See you next tutorial. I think this will be so helpful for you as beginners, and thanks for watching.